Okay, so let's have problem 3, methods of estimating goodwill. So, meron namang given facts diyan sa libro, so let's get straight to the computation. So, number 1 is goodwill is equal to the average excess earnings capitalized at 25%. How much is the goodwill? So, para makuha yung average excess earnings, we have to compare the average annual earning of uh, entity B, which is 1 million, versus its normal average annual earnings or normal average annual earning in the industry, which is 12%. So, yung 960 is 12% of 8 million. Okay? So, that means ang excess average annual earnings ni entity B is 40,000. And ika-capitalize mo daw yan at the rate of 25%, if I'm not mistaken. So 40,000 divided by 25%, your goodwill is 160,000. For number 2, goodwill is measured by capitalizing the average earnings by 12%. So, ang ika-capitalize daw ay average earnings. How much is the goodwill? So, needless to say, your starting point is the average annual earnings of 1 million. You will capitalize that using 12%. So, you will get 8,333,333. That's your purchase price, no? Kasi ang ginamit mo as starting point is average annual earnings, no? Hindi yung excess, no? Hindi yung na kinapitalize mo. Pag kinapitalize mo excess, makukuha mo goodwill. Pag ang kinapitalize mo yung average annual earning, ang makukuha mo ay purchase price. So the purchase price should be compared to the fair value of net identifiable assets ni B na 8 million to get the goodwill of 333,333. For case 3, goodwill is measured at the undiscounted amount of total excess earnings expected to be earned from the combination. So, yung total excess earnings mo for the next 5 years. Kasi sabi sa problem, excess earnings has duration of 5 years. So, yung average annual earning ni entity B less yung normal earning based on industry rate na 12%. So, 12% ng 8 million, 960. So, your excess earning per year is 40,000 times 5 na duration. So, your goodwill is 200,000. Next, case 4, goodwill is measured by discounting the average excess earnings at 9%. For this case, we will be using the present value factor of ordinary annuity. N equals 5, I equals 9%. So that factor is 3.89. So you multiply that to the annual excess earning, 40,000. So you'll get your goodwill at 155,586.